it up. What is happening today? Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. For those of you who don't know me, my name is Glenn, and today we're going to be reviewing the iSpyEyes Honeycomb contact lenses by Marnie Simpson. So if you guys want to see how these look on my light eyes, then keep on watching. Okay guys, so I got a comment a while back of someone asking me to review these lenses so they could see how they looked. I actually got these lenses almost like 2 months ago from iSpyEyes because I bought them along with a few other pairs. So first things first, let's go ahead and pop these in. Alright guys, so I've popped the lenses in and this is how they look on my light eyes. Right off the bat, I have to say that these lenses are not the most natural looking lenses that I have ever tried, and I feel like that's due to the fact that these lenses have such a big pupil hole, so a lot of my natural eye color bleeds through to the lens, so you can see a lot of my natural eye color, and then the color of the contact lens just goes around like the outside of my eyes and it doesn't really cover much. So I feel like the only time that these will look natural looking is maybe at night time, if you're going for like a night out or something, when your pupils are really dilated and you can't see any of your natural color, and then you'll just be able to see the contact lens. But for during the day, I would not suggest wearing these as they don't look natural looking whatsoever, and everyone's gonna know that you're wearing contact lenses because your natural color bleeds through. The color on the lenses themselves, they have like a black limbo ring around the outside of the lens, and then the color of the lenses is kind of like an orange kind of brown tone on the lenses, and I feel like the lens color is actually a really nice color, but as you can see, because the pupil hole is so big, they just don't look natural looking whatsoever. I really wish that these lenses had like a smaller pupil hole, as it would make them look so much more natural looking, and it would also like make the lenses so vibrant and so like nice, as I feel like they are actually like really nice contact lenses, but because I do have like the light eyes behind, like you can still see so much of my light color that they just don't look that natural looking way, and I probably won't be wearing these again unless they change and they make the pupil hole smaller. But if you guys do want to go ahead and pick these up for yourself, you can go over to iSpyEyes.com and you can pick these up for yourself. They cost $18.99, I'm sure, and they do not come with contact lens solution or a contact lens case, so remember to pick that up, as well as they do have a kit over on their website which you can pick up as well. I have reviewed a few other lenses from iSpyEyes, so if you want you can go over and head over to my channel and you can click on one of the other videos so you can see how those ones look, and don't forget to subscribe. But anyways, this is how the lenses look close up on both of my eyes. Like I said, they do have that very big pupil hole. It is just so big, it's one of the biggest pupil holes I've seen on contact lenses, but the color itself is very nice. I do like the color, I just don't think they look natural looking, and I probably won't be wearing them that much as I just don't feel like these do me justice. Please let me know what you guys think in the comments below. Do you like these contact lenses? Do you think they look natural looking? Please let me know, as I always like to hear your thoughts and your feedback. Don't forget to go and follow all my other social media links, my Facebook, Twitter, Tumblr, and go and follow me over on Instagram if you want to see more photos of me wearing these lenses. Please remember to like, comment and subscribe on this video, as it really does help guys, and thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you in the next one. Bye!